Hey guys, welcome you all to another video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you that recently I'm started using a motor vlogging, and in this I will show you daily what is happening on the road, any kind of things, so you can see in my action camera. And guys, if you're liking this video, so you need to subscribe to my channel AJS Kishore, and please, if you give us a thumbs up, like a like button also. And in this video you're gonna see the live incident which has happened in my bike. So if you want to see that incident, so you have to watch this video till the end, and you will see what the conversations we had in between. Okay, so guys, please watch the video and hit subscribe button. Okay.
Why this noise, man? Very come on. Noise. देख के चलाओ ना यार. अरे सामने वाला आएगा, तुम भी कंट्रोल करो ना यार. तुम भी मतलब क्या अरे क्या वाट तो लगा दिया तुमने. वाट तो लगा दिया साइलेंसर की. ये देखो ना.
अरे ये इसके अंदर घुसा है पूरा, गाड़ी मेरे को लगा हुआ साइलेंसर पैर से.
क्या यार, गाड़ी चला रहे कि मजा कर रहे तुम. ये गाड़ी की What the fuck is going on? नहीं मान गया. ले लो ऐसे तो. Finally it is crashed, man. What the fuck is going on?
So guys, you have seen this incident at my bike, and if you have any suggestions for me, please comment in my comment sections. And guys, if you're not the member of AJS Show, please do subscribe. And if you like, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any suggestions, please comment. And if you want to purchase any kind of product regarding the helmet, camera, whatever you want, there will be a link in description, guys. Go ahead and just buy from there. Okay, until then, I'm signing off for written, and I will see you in the next video. Okay guys, take care, bye bye, have a good day.